Have you ever thought of changing your YouTube channel name but you don't have an idea about that? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step an easier way to change your YouTube channel name. Hello, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Kali Tech Tips, and today's video I'm going to be helping you how to change your YouTube channel name. And if you're new to this channel, please, I insist you to subscribe, like, share, and comment if you find this video very helpful. Don't forget to hit the bell button so that you can get my new videos that I make like this one. So let's get started. So grab your phone quickly and go to YouTube. Click on your YouTube logo. So you go to your channel. After, you're going to see a pencil icon here in the right corner, on the right side. Click on it. You're going to see a pencil icon to edit your channel name. If you want to change it, click on it. Then you are going to change, for example, like this one. Click OK. So you can see that it has changed. Let's go back to YouTube and check. Go to your channel. So as you can see, it has changed itself. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful. If it was, give it a like, leave a comment below, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you can get more of my videos that I make like this one. So let's meet in the next video.